Hello everyone, Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh. Today I am here to give you a very important information regarding subclass 491 visa for New South Wales. New South Wales have opened their subclass 491 nominations on Monday only, and at that time the criteria was difficult. So you have to be living in New South Wales from last 12 months in the previous criteria, and your occupation should be on the Stream 1 New South Wales 491 occupation list. But this time today they have changed their guidelines. Now all they are asking is that your occupation should be on the Stream 1 occupation list of New South Wales, and you should be living in regional New South Wales. That's all they are asking. So if you have a positive skills assessment and you have 50 points of your own, then you are eligible to lodge subclass 491 nomination. They have relaxed their criteria because the end of financial year is approaching, and so far New South Wales hasn't given any nominations for 491. So they have that quota, they have their numbers with them, and they want to fill those numbers, and they want to support the community that is already affected by COVID-19 and the bushfires. So this is a golden opportunity for those people who are already living in regional New South Wales and they have the skills assessment 50 points of their own, and even for those people who can move to regional New South Wales, and even if you have recently moved to regional New South Wales, you are eligible for 491 New South Wales nomination. So it is the best opportunity. So far none of the states' criteria were that easy. So this is the first time you can see for subclass 491 that the criteria is so easy. All you have to have is skills assessment 50 points and living in regional New South Wales. If you can provide evidence of living in regional New South Wales, you are eligible for subclass 491 New South Wales nomination. If you are confident to do your file yourself, you can do it yourself. Otherwise you can contact our office or any other registered migration consultant whom you can trust. So I will say that do your files as soon as possible, because they have given 26th June deadline, last date to apply for this nomination. But because this is a golden opportunity, so lots of people will be applying for this subclass 491 nominations. So you have to be very quick, because these nomination places can fill very quickly. So all I can say is lodge your applications as soon as possible. That's it for now. Waheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Waheguru Ji Ki Fateh.